Besties, and welcome back to another episode of Valencia Loves Food. I put makeup on just for y'all, because if y'all was over on my vlog channel, I might not be looking like this girl, I might be looking like a Birkin, and we know what them things look like. So, today, Gigi, I'm recording. You can't be talking in the background. Today, I am going to be making a southern dish. Delicious smothered chicken in my homemade gravy. You fry the chicken and then you smother it in gravy. And the gravy is made from the essence, the spirit of sanctus of the chicken a la grease. Just make sure you do some jumping jacks, some heart healthy workouts or whatever when you're eating this way. This isn't an everyday dish, but it is like a Sunday best midweek, help you through some things, comfort food. Gigi, that's a lot of noise in the background. I'm trying to record. This lady don't care. Let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm making, okay? The ingredients involved. I've already got my sides cooking because I didn't want to fuss with everything. Once the chicken is done, I just wanted to have everything done. I've got my rice cooking, and I'm also making some pan-fried okra. That's sizzling, accompanied with some chopped up bacon, some maple bacon that I had previously the other day. My mouth is really salivating right now, okay? I have two types of chicken. Chicken thighs for me and my mom.
That was an accident.
You see, I be trying to record and they don't respect the fact that I'm a YouTuber. They don't. They don't. They don't. They don't. Yeah, but y'all be making, they be making so much noise in the background. Okay, friends. Okay, shh. I gotta tell them what I have now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then my kids love chicken drums. So I got a full pack of chicken drums. And I am going to clean them up, which is just rinsing them in a nice little vinegar rinse, y'all. Rinse it down, okay? Disinfect the chicken. And then I'm gonna pat it dry and season it up with, I'm serious, I can't record with y'all doing stuff in the background. Also, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get the video when I publish it. Or you can just wait until I mention it on my vlog channel. Or if you don't even know that I have a vlog channel, please do subscribe and turn on your notifications. And leave me a comment down below if you've ever made smothered chicken bowl.
Cooking vlog channel.
Jesus. This is my...
Lord, what's your channel?
That's my mom in the background, you guys.
What's
Yes, I
your
have
channel?
a cooking channel, Gigi.
Girl, I need my glass. What's your cooking channel
Oh
name?
my God.
Quiet.
I just want to show y'all what I'm dealing with in the background. There's my mom. The Jojo, the twins are over there messing with Play-Doh. Hey, Joe. Her emoji face. Okay, Joe, let mommy cook. Okay, so I have a confession. I have never made smothered chicken before, so this is my first time. I Googled a couple of recipes and got the basics, which is fry the chicken, season to taste. So I'm using an all-purpose flour, and I am going to season it up. I'm literally going to season it up, okay? Because this is going to be the base of my gravy. I'm going to save about 1/3 of a cup or 1/4 of a cup of the flour for my roux. So this is very important. I'm seasoning up my flour with some Lawry's, an all-purpose garlic seasoning. It's like garlic, onion, oregano, you know, just a regular schmegular all-purpose seasoning. And then some paprika. I was gonna put some cumin in there, but then I was like, nah, I'm just stick with some pepper, you know, pepper. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to stir it up and start seasoning up my chicken next. have my chicken nice and clean and patted dry. I am going to be seasoning it with the same exact seasonings that I use for my flour. Lawry's. I can't say it right. Is it Larry's, or Lawry's? Girl, I don't know. But anyway, I'm using some Lawry's, paprika, and all-purpose garlic seasoning. Because you just can't have fried chicken without some garlic seasoning on there, girl. And some black pepper. Did I say paprika? And some paprika. And I am seasoning this chicken down, honey. Season it down, because when I bite into it, I wanna taste some seasoned meat. I might as well be chewing on a tire if you gonna be eating some unseasoned chicken, baby. Season that chicken up real good. But I gotta stop the video for JoJo. I have it all sped up, but I gotta slow it down because JoJo wanted to sing a song. Here goes. I ain't mad, JoJo. I ain't mad at all. All right, give a thumbs up for JoJo and her quality singing, okay? But now it's time to fry the chicken. I made sure that my oil was nice and hot. I don't have a thermometer. I know some people like to gauge the temperature, but all you got to do is just sprinkle a little bit of flour. If it bubbles, sizzles, that's one way. Or I heard if you put a wooden spoon in there and if it creates bubbles, then it's good to go as well. However, I'm not new to this. I am true to this. Well, you know. So I am cooking a couple of pieces of chicken. I'm not going to crowd the pan, and I'm going to repeat this process over and over again by coating my chicken. I didn't use any egg or any milk, and this is the first round of the chicken. Now this is about the second round. I started cooking the chicken thighs. This is the dark meat. I wanted to make sure I cooked all of the dark meat together and all of the white meat together so that the chicken was evenly cooked in a consistent kind of way. Not quite sure how dark meat and white meat cook, like which one cooks faster. So that's why I cook them separately. This is my last round of chicken that I have to fry. After I fry the chicken, I am just gonna set it aside, and then I'm going to prepare my roux. And it's very important to make sure that you don't rush this process or cook the oil too high, because you don't want all these nice little brown bits to burn. Like, you don't want to be working with like burnt bits. That's gonna mess up the taste and the seasoning of your gravy. Oh, so I have bell peppers and onions, and I am just mixing it in. And what I did was I just drained the pan from most of the grease that was in the pot. I left just like probably just a little bit, not even like 1/4 of a cup, not even, just a little corner, so that my onions had, something to move around in. Didn't want to be moving around in the dry pan. Once those caramelized and cooked down a little bit, got a little soft, I'm just adding a little butter to get the brown bits to move. Now, normally if I'm making another dish, I'll add wine to deglaze the pan, but butter deglazes the pan just fine. If you look here, you see there's some spots where you're like, oh my gosh, it's not gonna come up. But once I spread the butter on it, voila, there you go. And then after that, after I deglaze the pan of all the nice yummy brown bits of chicken and stuff like that, I am going to add my flour that I reserved. I reserved about, I can't remember. Let me see what this measuring cup says. It says, 1/4 of a cup. I normally don't even use measuring cups or whatever. Everything I know is by eye. Like, even if I see a recipe, I do everything by eye. That's how I was taught how to cook. So in most of my videos, I probably won't ever have measurements for you guys unless I come up with a cookbook, fingers crossed. And then I'll give you guys like an exact measurement of what your food should taste like and how you're gonna get the best version of it. So yeah, I'm just adding some chicken stock here, thinning out the gravy because it's gonna simmer for another half hour to finish cooking the chicken all the way through. This is gonna make about 2 pans for me, y'all. Y'all saw how much chicken I had. And honestly, I did not have to season this up at all because my flour was heavily seasoned and my chicken was heavily seasoned. I done tasted the gravy because you gotta taste your gravy to see if it needs extra salt. I don't know why I'm being extra with my hands. Oh, I know why. Because I did that. Listen, friend, girl, friend, girl, girlfriend, friend, girl, girlfriend. This gravy is so good, okay? So good, y'all. So after I tasted my gravy to make sure I didn't need to make any adjustments, I'm adding my chicken back into the pan. I'm gonna have to put this chicken into several pans too because I got a lot of chicken, but I got a family to feed, girl. It's me, my mama, and my kids. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, girl, a baby angel is weeping in heaven right now because, oh, it smells delicious. You hear me? And it tastes delicious. This is the second pot. I have 2 pots because that's the kids pot, and then the dark meat, the chicken thighs, is the adult pot, and I added some mushrooms in there because I just like I can't have no chicken gravy without no mushrooms, girl. Listen, friends, girl, when I tell you, here's my itchy bitchy. The food is so good. Like, if you make this recipe, please tell me.
Max did that over there.
I know what Max did, but when I tell you, the food was so good. Was it good, Izzy? My food critic, you guys, if you try this recipe, let me know. Okay? I'm about to dive in, okay? I let everybody eat, everybody have a good time. And I'm about to dive into this plate of food right now, you guys. Oh, I added mushrooms to mine. Oh my God. And the fried okra. So good.
Hey, can you try some that to me?
Oh, this little boy, he done took my plate.